Joining us on this Monday, I'm Brooke Lennington.
And I'm Molly Pat. First tonight, in about a month, it'll be time for 30,000 students to start class again in Shawnee County. But what will the start of the school year really look like in the midst of a pandemic?
Yeah, that's the big question. And KSNT News reporter Lindley Lunn is live now in downtown Topeka to tell us what she knows about the changes you can expect to see in your child's school. Lindley?
Molly, Brooke, it's a quiet day here at the Kansas State Board of Education, but that won't be the case tomorrow because board members will be voting on recommendations from the state for schools across Kansas. With the end of summer just around the corner, local schools are preparing for the return of students. And Silver Lake Superintendent says it's something the kids are looking forward to.
Students struggle with the loss of structure and routine that comes with school attendance. We have to bring them back to that. There is no better place for a child to be educated than in a classroom with a great teacher.
But just like many things, schools will look different this year. And tomorrow, the state's Department of Education will give the guidelines they've come up with, gotten feedback on, and redrafted on ways for schools of all different areas and sizes to reopen to the State Board of Education to vote on.
I think people are going to be saying, here is a range of things you need to consider, and then you're going to have to look at your local circumstances and be prepared to adapt.
The guidelines include changes for both the inside and outside of the school. Things like keeping students separated during passing periods, lunch, recess, and even in the classroom. Pre-coronavirus, many teachers have students working together in groups at the tables. That's something that will have to go. The guidelines also talk about school buses, mask wearing, and even limiting who can come into a school.
It's spreading out people, reducing the size of groups, and reducing the contact. What contact you do have, you have to make that safer. So there will be lots of small changes to the routine like that.
Then the guidelines get to teaching methods for in-person and online classes. Both Tallman and Hollisey say schools will probably have to use a mixture of both in their teaching. If the state school board approves these guidelines, they will then go to all of the school districts in the state.
As things that boards need to consider and evaluate, kind of based on their local circumstances, what's happening in their county, what regulations there may be in place, again, what they're hearing from staff, family, and students.
Tallman says these are all just recommendations, but that schools still need to follow local rules and CDC guidelines. And I reached out for a copy of these guidelines, and they said they won't be available to the public until Thursday. In downtown Topeka, Lindley Lund, KSNT News.
All right, thank you, Lindley, for breaking that down. Now, if the state board denies the guidelines, the Department of Ed will go back to the drawing board. But the state could also just add some things and take some things out. Of course, we'll keep you updated on their decision this week.